Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook steak in the oven. Start by patting your steak completely dry. This is crucial for a perfect crust. Season it generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper on all sides. Next, heat a cast iron skillet over high heat until it's smoking, then add a high smoke point oil like avocado or grapeseed. Sear the steak for 2 to 3 minutes per side, aiming for a beautiful, deep brown crust. After searing, immediately transfer your skillet with the steak into a preheated oven set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. This is where the magic happens. Use a reliable meat thermometer to track the internal temperature. For a perfect medium rare, aim for 125 to 130 degrees Fahrenheit. For medium, target 135 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. This step is often overlooked, but is absolutely vital for a juicy steak. Remove your steak from the oven when it's about 5 to 10 degrees below your desired final temperature. Transfer it to a cutting board and tent it loosely with foil. Let it rest for at least 5 to 10 minutes. This resting period allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat, ensuring every bite is incredibly tender and flavorful. Once rested, it's time to slice and enjoy your masterpiece. Always slice your steak against the grain. This shortens the muscle fibers, making each bite incredibly tender. Serve it immediately with your favorite accompaniments, perhaps a simple green salad or some roasted vegetables. A small pat of butter or a sprinkle of fresh herbs can add a lovely finishing touch. Enjoy your perfectly cooked, restaurant-quality steak.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.